everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would pop on here and I would show you what the contents are of the $19.99 starter kit that you get when you sign up with Farmasi. So for $19.99 you start your pharmacy business. This is the starter kit that comes with it. You do have the option to add on some other packages that are pre-packed with the makeup that they have on hand. Some of them are different depending on what they have in stock at that time. It is a great option if you do not have any product and you want to get a good wide variety of things. It's amazing. You do not have to. It is completely optional. I did not get it, but it is a great option. It is greatly discounted, so that is an option. But for $19.99 you can start your pharmacy journey, and they send you everything that you have to have, everything that you need to know in the box. So let's jump into it and see what comes in the box. So this is your starter kit. How cute is that? Magnetic closure box. So cute. You're definitely going to want to save this box. I know I am. So let's open it up and see what all is inside. So the first thing is the lipstick samples. There are 14 in this box. Let's open it up and look. So all the different colors. There's 14 different samples, so that is a great little starter sample to get all of your lipsticks. So we have that. There's a lot of literature that I will show you, but we're going to get into the goodies first, okay? So the next thing I see is, this is the relaxing massage gel, and you get 4 different sample sizes of those, and I'll put those up there so you can see the different ones. So you get 4 samples of that, and again, samples are going to vary depending on what they have in stock at the time that you sign up. This is towards the beginning of June, so this is what I got. This is the garlic shampoo, and I've heard really, really great things about this. It is perfect for if you're trying to grow your hair out, or if you have thin hair. It's really good for growth. I have super thick hair, so I will probably be gifting these because I don't need any help in that department. But if you have thin hair, or if you're trying to grow your hair out, this stuff is amazing. So you get, let's see, 2 shampoos, a hair mask, and a hair oil, and that is amazing. So the next thing I see is CC cream. The Farmasi CC cream is amazing. You get 4 samples of that. It goes 01, 02, 03, and 04. So you get 4 samples of the CC cream. And you get 4 samples of the Stay Matte foundation. This is my favorite. This is what I'm actually wearing today. This stuff is super good, especially in the summertime. If you have oily skin, this really helps you not to have that oiliness. It really helps you stay matte, obviously. So you get the 4 samples of that, and it comes, I've got 03, 05, 06, and 09. So again, that might vary depending on what they have in stock when you sign up. The next thing I see, which is super cute, is you get 2 little Farmasi bags that you can, you know, when somebody orders from you, you can throw this in there, throw all your products in there if you're going to hand deliver or whatever. They're so cute, and you can also order these on the website as well if you want to continue to have them for, you know, local deliveries. So that's really cute. Now we have the literature, and here's just a little newsletter that they send you. Here is the skincare guide, because we have amazing skincare products, you guys, amazing. So it is a really thick booklet of all the different skincare lines we have. I hear super good things about the Age Reverse line. This is definitely on my wish list. I do not have any of these products right now, definitely going to be ordering them because I hear wonderful, wonderful things about them. So you get your whole skincare guide book. We also carry men's stuff, we carry baby stuff, we carry all kinds of things, you guys. So we also get a color chart catalog. So it's going to show you all the different shades that we have in the different foundations and powders. So that's a really neat guide to kind of learn and look through when you first get your kit, so you can really learn the products. So really good, really good. This is my favorite book. This is the Farmasi Opportunity book. This is going to be the book that you need to live and breathe as soon as you get your kit, because it shows you everything there is to know to grow your pharmacy business. You do not have to grow your pharmacy business. If you want to sign up just for the discount, as soon as you sign up, you get 50% off all of your products. So like I signed up, and as soon as I added this starter kit to my cart and got all my things signed in, you know, all the questions they asked, as soon as that went into my cart, I was able to add other items. Like I said, I didn't pick a pre-packaged package that they already have. I just picked and choose what items I wanted. Personally, I kind of wanted to mix and match it and pick my own package. As soon as I put that in my cart, I was able to buy everything I wanted at 50% off. So if you sign up just for the 50% off discount, girl, it's amazing. But you do have the opportunity to make an amazing company out of this. So if you want to, and that'll be a whole different video that I will get into, like the business side of this, but it does have all the different ways that you can make money or level up in this company, and I'm here to tell you, you can do it. I've done it, you can do it. It is so, so easy to level up. This company definitely loves to give back. So if you're putting in the work, they are definitely going to recognize you for that. And all of that is listed in this opportunity booklet, and it tells you, I mean, all kinds of stuff that you need to know to get to where you want in your pharmacy business, because everybody signs up for different reasons. So that is all that comes in the Farmasi starter kit for $19.99. What other business can you start for $19.99, you guys? It's amazing. And the fact that it's only been in the US for less than a year, it is ground floor. I mean, we are in the baby step stages right now, you guys. Not that the business is a baby, it has been growing for over 60 years, so they know what they're doing. But for us in the US, we are just getting started. So this is like baby steps right now. This company is going to explode. And I'm so excited to be on this journey. And I would love to have anybody else on this journey. If you see this video and you think you might want to sign up, or you have questions, even if you just want to sign up for the discount, there's no requirement. There's no minimum. There's no monthly quotas. There's no yearly fees. $19.99 gets you completely set up and started with your business, and that's all that's ever required of you. If you do sign up, they do require one time every 6 months. You order something every 6 months. It could be anything, any one item every 6 months, and that keeps you active. So there's no minimum. I mean, you could order one lipstick and keep your 50% discount active. So that's the only thing they require as far as being active. Now, once you start leveling up, there's minimal, very, very minimal requirements, but they do have minimal requirements if you do start to grow your team. That's the only thing. But we'll definitely get into that more on a later video when we kind of go into like the compensation plan. And I'm definitely going to do a video on that, so y'all make sure to subscribe to this channel so you can see the later videos if you are interested. But I will leave all of my contact links down below. So if you do have any questions about anything about Farmasi, I would definitely love to help you or answer anything that I can. So that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.